Chris. Today I'm going to be working on a 2014 GMC Acadia. The truth. So today's video is a bit different. My wife was at work, and when she came out to her car at the end of the day, the rearview mirror had fallen off. The adhesive on the back of this thing, if it'll focus, the adhesive, I guess, delaminated itself from the glass in the summer heat, and yeah, it was just dangling there. It did have a plug. Where is it at? Right here. That was all that was hanging it on, and that plug is for like the OnStar and everything like that. But so all I did was unplug that, and yeah, this metal piece came with it. So let's go to the store. I'm gonna get some adhesive, and we're gonna clean up both surfaces, this one and the one on the glass itself. And we're going to try and get this guy to restick. I am going to undo this little T20 bolt, I think is what that is, just to get this little metal piece off. That way when we're putting the adhesive on, it's not putting all this weight on there. It's just the weight of this little metal piece. So let's get that little screw out and get this little metal piece off right quick. Alright, just picked this stuff up. Let's go get it back to the house and see how well this actually works. Alright, now I'm back home. Let's try this stuff out on the SUV right quick. Alright, like I said, let's clean up the surfaces. Use my little scraper and just kind of scratch off the remaining glue on both the windshield and on this little metal button. Alright, now that I got this one cleaned up pretty good, let's get clean off the windshield. Alright, this is about as good as I'm going to get it. Looks decent on camera. There's still a little bit there, but I've been scraping it, and I've been using this goo gun stuff and my scraper, and it's just, I'm thinking it adhered to that plastic screen thing. So yeah, I think it's good enough. Let's go ahead and open our little kit, and I think there's an alcohol wipe in there just to clean everything up. Alright, now it is always good to read the instructions on these things too, because it tells you how their product's supposed to be used, and you know, if you don't follow their instructions, it may not work as well as it should. So yeah, read the instructions. Alright, so I'm going to use this cleaner to clean off this surface and the windshield surface. It says let it sit for about a minute, and then we're going to apply a couple drops of this onto here, and then we're going to adhere this to the windshield. So if you don't hear me talking a whole lot, it's because I'm on a time limit. But that's my steps. Just know that this flat piece faces down, like towards your hood. This rounded piece is going to face towards the roof of your car. And then that way, this rear view mirror slides right onto that. And it's hanging in the proper position. So just remember, flat piece down. Alright, let's go use this cleaner. Get everything ready. And again, if you don't hear me talking too much, because I'm on a race against time. Alright, now it's time to put our adhesive on the little metal piece. Now it does say allow this to cure for about 10 minutes. I'm going to leave mine overnight just to give it the maximum amount of time to cure before I put the mirror back on. All right, so my mistake, it said 30 minutes, not 10, for this to fully seat on there. Again, I'm still going to leave mine overnight, so I will see you guys again in the morning. All right, it is the next morning, and let's get this rearview mirror in the Acadia. All right, so far the little button thing looks like it's holding in there pretty well. Let's get the mirror on and see if it'll hold the weight. Alright, well, it seems like the Permatex stuff actually worked really well. This thing is not moving. If it ends up falling off in the next day or so, I'll let you guys know. It'll be right after this clip. But if it stays on there, you guys won't see anything else. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it stays on there. Well, I hope this video helped. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. If you liked any of the background music that was in this video, check out the Artist SoundCloud. Link is in the description.